Welcome guys, and welcome very much to this. And today we want to walk you through a journey to YouTube, how to set YouTube, how just a journey to understand uh, the inside part of YouTube, and to get to understand how you can set your channel. So first, let's start. If you're starting YouTube for the first time, what you need to do, I hope you have your email. So go to your email, Gmail. You know YouTube is for Google. So what we're going to do here, we're going to come into this Google Apps. So click here, you will see Google Apps. So go to YouTube. Of course there are so many apps here, so maybe you want to use search, my business, map, but we want to use YouTube for today. So I will click on YouTube, which will direct me on YouTube. So this is now the part where we are. This is YouTube, and these are not our videos, but these are public videos that we can view. So for us to go to our videos, we will go here to our YouTube channel, where is written your channel. This is the management box. So we're going to YouTube channel, we're going to click on channel. So when you click on channel, the first video will start playing, which means it's the introduction video from your YouTube homepage. So after getting here, you can play it or you can pause it. So this is just a journey. So this part, this is your banner, this is your YouTube banner. When someone visits your profile, they will see this banner. So you can either change the banner from here. When you click that part, you will be given an option to change the banner. So you can also customize your channel or manage videos. Now so many people are asking, I want to upload my videos. So when you want to upload your videos, we will show you how to upload a video. So now we have home. Home is the first page of YouTube. This is the home page. In home page, you will see most of your videos that you've done, most of the content you've done, and also you can click them and have a view of your content. And also we have videos, just as I said, videos. Then we have the playlist. You can select the playlist, the videos that you've been showing, and the videos that you have marked on the playlist. Channel, we don't do channel, but we have a discussion. Now this is the panel where you talk to your community and they reply. About section is about you. Remember, always you have to tell people what you do, who are you, what they expect in your channel. So from there, we will jump into a panel called your videos. On this side, you have settings. You have the channels that you have subscribed to. You can do gaming setting, but we will directly go to your videos. So in this section here, it's very important, because when you come to here, these are the videos that you have uploaded, these are the content that you have uploaded, and you can see they are labeled by dates, time that you posted them and you uploaded them. So live videos also, we have live videos. The live videos that you captured are also here, because these are live videos that we did. So those are live videos. So when you come here, we have playlist. As I said, these are just a channel playlist that you've marked as your playlist, just the way you can mark a playlist on your song panel. Then we have analytics. The analytics are very important, because your channel, it will show you how many views in the last 28 days. Now you can see in the last 28 days we've made 2,377 views, which is very good. So through analytics is very important for someone to understand the analytics, because the analytics will tell you when did your viewing went up. Like you see here, Sunday, September 19, 2021, we got 110. Okay, we got 110 interactions. So you see the level going down. Sometimes Saturday 75. So it's very important to also to engage your your client, also to engage your client and understand how the analytics work. You will be able to know when you are most watched, when you are down, and you will be able to know which video made you not to do that. So we have reach here. So impression, we had 10.1k impressions, and impression click-through rate we had 7.7. At least we went down. Then we viewed, we had 2.4k views, which is very good. Engagement, wow, this is the time we had so much engagement. Monday, it was Monday, September 27th 2021, which is good. Then audience, these are the people now, these are now the people who interacted with you. YouTube will tell you the people who subscribed and what kind of mobile phones they use when your viewers are on YouTube. Also we have other videos your audience watched, so at least you will be able to understand which videos were watched mostly and which ones were not watched mostly, other channels your audience watched. So this is very crucial. Down here we will come to the comment section where your audience commented. So it's very important when people comment, at least you reply to them. You see, these are people who commented on our YouTube channel, and actually you can see there are so many, which is good. It's good when people comment on your channel, you should reply to them. We have subtitles also. The subtitles, at least channel subtitles, at least I said in the last video, it is very important to use subtitles that are directive means at least use subtitles that people use to search for content on YouTube, like how to, you see, like this, how to start a YouTube channel, how to design a certificate, because we also do designs, how to use shapes builders. So the keyword here that we used mostly is how. Then we have copyright. Also with copyright, YouTube will remove the copyright if you have videos that belonged to someone else, or videos that contains content that belongs to another person who has copyrighted their video, then you will not be given a permission, the permission to use these videos. Then this is where now most of the people want, we call it monetization. Now with this channel, this is one of our channel called Wide Focus Production. We have different channels. You see, with monetization, this is where now you make money. Through this channel we are not able to make money yet because it's still not monetized. We are still remaining with the 2070 subscribers from 1000 required. So from this side you can see we have reached the target of 589 public watch hours, while we need 4000, while the total number was 4000. So we managed we are still remaining with 5,800 and 5,089 from 4,000. So that is what we need. Then we will be activated. Then YouTube have to review our channel to be able to tell us if we are permitted to go on with the monetization. Most of the people, this is where now the money works. After this has been approved, like the other accounts that we have, then it's very very important you understand that it's when now you need an online banking system from Google, which is AdSense account. Now from there we have settings here. From settings you can be able to set how do you want YouTube to pay you in currency. You can choose in IDR, Indonesia, you can choose, but ours we are being paid in Kenyan shillings, but we have to convert it from dollars to Kenyan shillings. Then the channel, that country of residence, we have to set advanced setting. So actually with the YouTube policies, they will give you some instruction during the time you are signing up. So our channel, so we when you see the radio button here, no, the channel set for this channel has not made for kids, so we don't do content for kids. If you or click on this channel, this content is made for kids, then some content will be restricted for some people. Or if you click on this content is not safe for kids, then kids will not be able to access it. Then we have customization. Customization here, it means that when you have a video like channel trailers for people who haven't subscribed, so then they can watch they can watch the trailers from the home page. So these are the trailers that we have. You can add also, you can view channel from here. Branding, you can brand your channel. As I showed you, we have a banner. This banner here, we are able to change it from here. We can remove and change to another banner. So from this banner image, you are told the people who are watching your homepage from the TV will view it in this large scale format. The people who are watching it on laptop will view it on this large format, and the mobile phone. So so it means that the website is the YouTube is kind of responsive to all medias. So we have audio library. This is very important. With audio library, you will get free music that do not require copyright from YouTube. So you are free to use these songs. So when you click here, maybe we can listen to one. Yeah, that is free. You can come here and download it. If that is the one you want to use, you can come here and download it. But also remember, you have to recognize the person who made that instrumental music. We have sound effects. You can also download sound effects if you are doing interview and so on. Let us try sound effects. Listen to that. Wow. Listen to this. Vehicle kickstarting. Wow, those are just sound effects. Then we have steered, we don't have any. So that is the journey to YouTube. Also here you can be able to change your focus image. It will open another tab. Sorry for that. That is how I set my computer to open another tab when that is clicked. So you can change it from here. You can change it from here. So when you click here, you can edit it and choose from another image. So let us go back to YouTube. So that is the journey to YouTube. Now the final thing I told you, always ask people to subscribe to your channel so that you can get most subscriptions. Also tell people to click on the bell. So I will tell you that also before I finish. Now, how do we upload a video on YouTube? We have this camera icon here. When you click on this camera icon here, you will be directed. You are asked, do you want to upload a video or do you want to go live? Obvious, if you want to go live here, you have to make sure that if you are not you are going live with your laptop or your desktop, then the laptop must have a webcam camera that is very clear for good content. If you are uploading a video, maybe it's a video that you captured through your mobile phone or through your camera, so you will be able to upload it. So just click on upload if you have the video, then it will direct you to a page that requires you to upload a video. So click on this icon here. After clicking on it, it will ask you where is the video that you want to upload. I can, for example, upload this video here, then say open. I don't want to upload this video because I don't have rights to upload that video. It is not ours, so I will cancel. Also, you can select a file, it's still the same thing, and upload the video. So from uploading the video, then it will ask you some questions. For example, let us upload one of our videos that we did sometimes. So let us go to, we saved it in desktop, then we have a video here. Do we have a video somewhere here? Yes, this video. So it will start uploading. Then it will directly give your video a name that direct people to what they want. Like there is someone who wants to know how to start a business on YouTube, so give it that name, how to start a business on YouTube. Yes. Then description, tell people about that video, what is in that video, what will they learn about that video, what is so special about that video. Then tell them to subscribe. While you are setting your video, remember it is uploading online. Then next we have elements. Now here you can add elements on the video. Maybe you can tag, this is the video that we are uploading, so select how you want to add caption. So when you select when to want, you can say nothing or without. So that is just, we just on a journey to show you how YouTube works. Another thing, when you come here, let me show you. Now here, visibility, those choose when to publish and who can see your video. Private, we don't want to make it private unless you don't want the public to see it, people to view your video. Unleashed, but most of the time we do our video as public, put it public so that it can be viewed with everyone. So when we say next publish, the video will start uploading. So the video will start uploading and we will be able to be updated when the, you see now it is 16%. Look here, this is 16%. Now we have to wait till it is 100%. That was just an example. I will cancel that. So let's go back to our videos. Let me go back to YouTube and show you how to engage your members. So here, let me show you wide focus production. So we have it here. So let us click this one. You see this one day ago, this was uploaded yesterday. So if we click on this video like this, actually you see we have to ask people to subscribe on our video. Like for example, we cannot subscribe on our video, so let us use another video, maybe this one here. Yes, so what this content creator needs to do, he needs to ask people to subscribe onto their video, subscribe, then like. Also ensure you remember 1,000 subscription will lead you to qualification. Also ask them to click on the bell button. Why? Whenever you post a video, then a notification will be sent to them. This means that your community will be engaged to your video. So that is the journey to YouTube. So unless you have another question, please subscribe to our channel. Also like and click the bell button so that we will be engaging you whenever we have a new video. This is Wide Focus Production and this is how we do it.